with eggs.
Hi everyone, welcome to Peach Betty. My name is Morgan and this is my son,
Sullivan.
And it is snowing outside here in Michigan, but we decided to have a little luau today at home. Butter. And we're going to make a pineapple upside down cake. This recipe is from Better Homes and Gardens cookbook from 1960. Before all the ingredients are gone, I need to start making our cake. So we have a normal butt pan here. We're going to take some butter and rub it all around so our cake does not stick. You gonna help me rub some butter? Rub it all around. Now that we have butter in the pan, we need to put some flour in here. Dust it all around. This is a good trick that never fails. Are you eating the butter? Once you get the whole pan covered, you want to knock out all the excess in your sink.
I love butter.
I love butter too. The first thing that needs to go in this prepped cake pan is melted butter. Be right back. Now that our butter is all melted, we need to add brown sugar to it. And now we're going to pour that into our pan, and this is going to be the easy glaze.
It's so much fun. It is so much fun.
I'm glad you're having a good time.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum.
It's gonna be big and full.
Now that we have that all spread in the bottom of the pan, we need to open up our pineapple rings. Easy pull tab, the best.
Okay.
All right. And we need to save some of the juice. Pour 1 cup of the juice into our measuring cup because this is going to go into our cake. We're going to take our pineapple rings and turn them upside down. Boop.
Oh.
Look at all those. We need to cut them all in half. So now we have pineapple halves. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to arrange our pineapple halves upright inside our bunt pan. And conveniently, your bunt pan is going to have perfect little grooves for these to sit inside. Can you put some in? Put them in the pan. See? There we go. Beautiful. Extra pineapple to munch on. And we got them all in our pan. Now it's time to add the maraschino cherry. I'm going to add a little bit of this pink juice. And now we're going to put a cherry in between each pineapple ring. Boop. Do you love pineapples?
I love pineapple. It's gonna be big and strong.
Everything makes you big and strong. Give a baby a couple more cherries. There we go. Now we are all set to mix up our cake batter. So in this bowl I have granulated sugar, warm butter, and some vanilla. And we want to mash all this up until it's nice and fluffy. Okay, so now we need to crack our eggs into our softened butter and sugar here. Our eggs. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1.
It's fun.
And yeah. Now we're going to switch to our whisk and whisk up all this good stuff until it's nice and fluffy. Now that all of our eggs are mixed in, it's time to pour in our pineapple and cherry juice. Ooh.
Let's go red.
And now we're going to sprinkle in all of our dry ingredients. It's snowing. Now we gotta mix in our snow. Yeah. Keep it in the bowl. I like that we added the cherry juice to this because now it's gonna be a beautiful little pink cake.
Pink cake. A pink cake.
A pink cake. Our cake is all mixed up. Now it's time to dump it into our bunt pan. Want to make sure all of your fruit is arranged perfectly before you add your batter. That's the design you're going to see when you flip it out. So let's pour this yummy cake batter all over. You want to try some? Last thing to do is just smooth it over and make sure everybody's evenly covered. So now it's time to bake our bunt in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 50 minutes until it's done. There you go.
We need some more.
We'll have some right after it bakes. Would you like another cherry?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
We go to the snow. Okay, let's go. See some more snow. That's the season.
What do you think? Can you pick up some?
Pick some snow. And put it in the snow.
You know the cake is done when it's nice and spongy on top and you can touch it and it bounces back. You want to wait about 5 minutes until you turn it upside down on a plate and carefully release it from the pan. It is time to try some cake. Let's cut some. So something that I found was that everywhere that the slices of pineapple are makes their own slice of cake for you. This is best served warm. It is a very soft and fluffy cake. I think that adding both the juice from the pineapple and the cherries is a really good idea. Just add some extra flavor to your cake. But this cake is nice and moist and super fluffy. I think we did a great job. All right.
Do some more.
Some more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe because we do videos every other Sunday. And then you can also watch me every Thursday on Peach Betty's Facebook Live.
And like you.
I do Facebook Live videos every Thursday at 6 o'clock. So make sure you come and chat with me and get some new recipes every week.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
My birthday cake.
It's my birthday cake? Happy birthday to me.
I love cherries too.
I love cherries too.
I love big and strong.
Big and strong.